everyone, welcome to Varish Courses YouTube channel. So, welcome to the new news update, that is the Facebook name change to Meta. The Meta will be the company's new name set by Mark Zuckerberg. Okay, this is known to you, but the much details might not be known to you. So, we are making this video in order to enrich your knowledge about this name change. Okay, let's start the video. Before starting the video, the kind notice is, if you are new to this channel, please make sure you subscribe to this channel so that you will get updated with all the information that we upload on the regular basis. It will be useful for your UPSC point of view, and also whether if you are writing any other competitive exams also, this news updates will be very much useful to you. Okay, and like the video if you liked it, and subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends, and give your feedback in the comment box. Okay, why is it in the news? Okay, why this topic is in the news? Okay, the Facebook Inc. said on Thursday it would rebrand as Meta, a name change that comes as the company battles many criticisms from the lawmakers and from the regulators over the market power, its algorithmic decisions, and the policing of abuses on its platforms. So, as we all know, the users of Facebook have gradually declined, and the Facebook has received many criticism regarding the algorithmic decisions from the lawmakers, regulators. Okay, it has faced many abuses also. So the tech giant said that the change would bring together its different apps and technologies under one new brand. It said it would not change its corporate structure, but many new apps will come under that one new app, that is Metaverse. Okay, the CEO Mark Zuckerberg, speaking at the company's live streaming virtual and augmented reality conference, said the new name reflected its focus on building the metaverse. Okay, he told that in the virtual conference, the new name will be speaking about the building of the metaverse. Then what is this metaverse? We'll be reading in the further slides. Okay, Facebook already have more than 10,000 employees building consumer hardware like AR glasses. Zuckerberg believes will eventually be as ubiquitous as smartphones. Okay. Uh, in July, he told The Verge that over the next several years, we will effectively transition from people seeing us primarily being a social media company to being a metaverse company. He told that there will be a transition from the social media company to a metaverse company, as said by Mark Zuckerberg. Okay. So, actually, what has happened? Facebook changed its corporate name to Meta as a part of the major rebrand. Okay, the company said it would better encompass what it does as it broadens its reach beyond social media into areas like virtual reality. So, he told that Zuckerberg told it's not only changing about the name of the brand, but it's also changing from being a social media company to a virtual reality. Some areas of virtual reality will also be focused more because of this name change. The name change comes as the world's largest social media company battles criticisms from the lawmakers and regulators over its market, algorithmic decisions, and policing of abuses on its services. This is what we have already spoke about in the previous slides. Okay. For Facebook, the rebranding isn't just about a switch into the company's name, but a reflection of the company's growing ambitions and focus on the new areas. Okay, I have told you that it's not only the mere change of the name, but it also changing its name in order to focus and drive into the new areas. And Facebook has already announced plans to invest $50 million as part of its efforts to create a responsible metaverse. In order to create the responsible metaverse, it is investing $50 million. It also plans to create nearly 10,000 jobs in Europe as part of the metaverse ambitions. Okay, it is providing employment also. And but why this name change? What is the reason behind this name change? Just like Google has a parent company, that is Alphabet, he said, the Mark Zuckerberg said, there is a new parent company under which Facebook, WhatsApp, and Instagram and others operate. The parent company is the Metaverse. Facebook's attempt to rename is to align itself with the focus on building the metaverse. Okay, this is Mark Zuckerberg words. These are clearly seen in the reality sooner or later. Okay, and Facebook, which also owns the Oculus VR gaming platform, doesn't want to be left behind in the race to be part of the metaverse. So that there are many other companies which will be working under the Facebook, which will also drive towards the metaverse. Okay, it also signals that Facebook wants to be known for more than just social media. The timing would also seem right, considering the negative spotlight that Facebook is under with the latest whistleblower revelations, just adding to the company's problems. As we know that recently the whistleblower has leaked the information. So in this type of situation, in this kind of critical situation, it is the right time for the company to rename and shift towards the other areas. Okay, from the social media to the other virtual areas also. And Facebook is under regulatory scanner in most countries, including in home market of the US itself. So the home of the Facebook is US itself. In the US itself, it is having many regulatory scanners. Okay, in the many other countries also it has the regulations. Okay, but from where did the idea called metaverse got derived by the Facebook? The idea follows from the cult science fiction novel Snow Crash by Neil Stephenson. It was published in the 1992, where the phrase metaverse was first used. Okay, the phrase metaverse was first used in the novel called Snow Crash, which was written by Neil Stephenson. The novel is set in the dystopian world where the governments have ceded power to private corporation and deal with many aspects of the modern world, be it virtual reality, digital currency, etc. Okay, there is some other modern world. Okay, in according to this book, there is a modern world in which virtual reality, digital currency are present. Okay, there are many aspects of this particular things are present in that modern world. This is what is the metaverse is about. Okay, Stephenson's book has found a god-like reverence among the Silicon Valley leaders. So, okay, there are also several essays on the internet, each trying to explain what is metaverse really is or what it can be. VC investor Matthew Ball actually has a 9-part series of his blog in addition to an introduction to the metaverse essay, which is a great primer for anyone who wants to dive deep into the concept. So if you want to dive deep into this metaverse concept, you can just read the 9-part series of the VC investor Matthew Ball, and there are many internet essays also you can read from there. But we are speaking much about metaverse, but what is metaverse exactly is? The simplest way to look at the metaverse is the parallel virtual world where users have a different identities, possessions, and characters. I'll give you by drawing. Okay, I will explain you in a simple terms. For example, this is world A, this is world B. Okay, this is world A and this is world B. This is world A, which is completely having the physical presence. World B is having completely the virtual presence. This virtual presence is going on parallelly with the physical person, world, and it is virtual in nature, where the users of this virtual world will have the different identities, possessions, and characters. For example, when you are going outside physically, like if you are traveling to somewhere outside the country, like if you are going to Venice or somewhere, okay, you will try to post it in the Facebook, you will try to post it in the Instagram that I am off to Venice, I am off to US. These kind of stories you will put in the Facebook. So this virtual world is going parallel to the physical world. Physically you are visiting, and virtually also you are mentioning it in your stories, you are mentioning it in your social media platform. So there is another virtual world which is created, which is going on parallelly to the social world. Okay, this is parallel to it and it is in the virtual, we cannot physically sense it. Okay, the users of this virtual world will have different identities, they will have some possessions. For example, I can tell the digital currencies, they are owning the digital currencies without touching them. They will have no physical contact, but they are owning the particular digital currencies, cryptocurrencies. Okay, and they will have certain characteristics also. So this is what metaverse exactly is in a simplistic way. If you want a complex form of explanation, metaverse is supposed to be the post-internet world. So now we have the internet world. Whatever beyond the internet world comes, that is the post-internet world, will be dealing the metaverse concept. So it is a decentralized computing platform. It will be in the continuous nature, and it will be in the living form. It is an entirely digital economy, and the way most Silicon Valley intellectuals see this, metaverse exists both in the digital and the physical realm. Okay. Interoperability is the key to the metaverse success. Interoperability is, I have given the example, right? There is an interoperability between the physical world and the virtual world. If we are traveling to Goa, you are posting it in the Facebook or Instagram or in the social media or in the post internet world also. You will have certain kind of applications or certain kind of platforms where the virtual world is going in parallelly with the physical world. So there is an interoperability between these two. Yes, virtual reality would be an element of its metaverse, but the idea goes beyond it. So I am telling there is a virtual reality in the metaverse, but the idea of metaverse goes beyond. It is going beyond the metaverse. It is going beyond the virtual reality. According to the Ball, the metaverse does not reset or pause or end, but continues indefinitely. The main feature of the metaverse, it is continuous in nature. It is continuously flowing. It is indefinite. Okay. Metaverse is not something that just one company can build. It should have many other companies under it. For example, Epic Games, the creator of Fortnite, has big plans for the metaverse using its Unreal Engine. Okay. Nor is Facebook the only one working on this. There are many other companies like Epic Games are working on the metaverse concept. In fact, Fortnite already has many elements which could conform to the idea, such as live events, its own currency, etc. Okay. There is a epic game called Fortnite. It has its own live events. It will have its own currency. It means we are seeing the new virtual world. It is going beyond the virtual reality. That is nothing but some elements of the metaverse are already present in the Fortnite, the Epic Games. Then how will this metaverse work? Digital spaces, virtual reality games, a virtual world, or even just a game like Fortnite is not the metaverse. Okay? According to the Ball, though he acknowledges that Fortnite does not have elements of the latter. For instance, Fortnite recently held a music experience where upcoming artists were able to have their interactive expressions with their musical sets inside the game. Okay, it may be completely not the same. Metaverse in the Fortnite games is not completely the same, but recently we have seen some kind of features of metaverse and even in the Fortnite, where the musicians had a very had a great music experience in this platform, where the users play the games parallelly. There is the music going on, like music experiences are going on parallelly. Both the playing and the music is going on parallelly in this. So these kind of features are the features of the metaverse which are seen recently. The metaverse is being envisioned as a new world order, really. Various services could be offered virtually in exchange for other virtual assets or cryptocurrencies. So, in the metaverse, what will happen is the services will be exchanged in the form of cryptocurrencies. For example, or through the virtual assets. You are known about the barter system, right? In the barter system, they will exchange one product to the other. In the same way, in the similar fashion, the virtual assets, you will possess one virtual asset and I will possess one virtual asset. I will exchange my virtual asset with your virtual asset, or you can use the cryptocurrencies. As we are using currencies, the physical form of currencies in exchange of the objects, you can also use the cryptocurrencies in exchange of the virtual services in the meta. Okay. The way to look at it is that your existence will be enmeshed with the digital world in a much deeper complex way. Okay, your existence is much linked with the digital format in a much deeper way and in a much complex way in the metaverse. In order to ensure that the metaverse function smoothly, um, it would require a rewriting of the correct rules as they are for most of the internet services and functions according to the ball. It should have some current rules as well. Facebook's plan with the metaverse. The metaverse is critical for Facebook future and it is not hard to imagine. A digital world where we spend most of our time interacting with our friends, where virtual assets have higher importance, where the rules will be entirely different. Of course, Facebook would want this. So that is the reason why Facebook have planned with the metaverse. According to the Facebook's own definition found in the news announcement, the metaverse will let users hang out with people who are not in the same physical space. Okay, you will be able to hang out with friends, play with them, work with them, learn with them, shop with them, create more and more. It's not necessarily about spending more time online, it's about making the time you spend online more meaningful. Okay, I hope you have understood the difference between being present in online and making your online presence more meaningful. Metaverse does this. Okay, the definition is rather simplistic compared to how the metaverse has been theorized by others. Okay, Facebook also admits that the metaverse won't be built overnight and many of the products will only be fully realized in the next 10 or 15 years. This is what the Facebook have told, but Facebook says it needs to work on the question of how the metaverse will be built also. Okay, this is all about the metaverse and the change of the name of the Facebook company to the Meta and how the metaverse will work. All I have discussed in a very clear format. So whatever we have in the news, till that extent I have covered whatever it. If there is any update, we'll be providing more updates in the future. Okay, that is it for today's video. If you liked it, please click the like button, subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends. This is very currently and popularly in news, so share it with your friends as much as possible and leave your comment in the comment box. That is it for today's video. Thank you everyone.